two-seater Camel. Approximately, it's a quad turbo, 560 horsepower, but in this case we say Camel power.
What's up, what's up? This is Rico.
Alright, this is crazy life. We're heading to Los Cabos, Mexico right now. And we're late. We're so late, okay? Alright, Andrew, thank you.
Sure, buddy. Have a journey.
Alright, thanks a lot. Hi.
Johnny? Yeah.
Thank you.
You can drop the bike now.
Currently on my way to Mexico, Los Cabos. Flight has been delayed, but keep you guys posted. I hope to be in Mexico for 7 days and hope to have a lot of fun, and I'll definitely share that with you awesome guys. So stay tuned and see you.
Have any concerns? Please let one of us know. Thank you. Have a pleasant flight.
It's safe to use your cell phones at this time. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of myself and this entire Toronto-based cabin crew, we thank you for choosing Sunwing Airlines, and we hope you have a fabulous vacation here in Los Cabos, Mexico.
Welcome to you, good morning. I'm coming to you from Los Cabos, Mexico. So I'm here for 7 days of vacation. Let's have a wonderful time and let's do this together.
On my two-seater Camel. Approximately, it's a quad turbo, 560 horsepower, but in this case we say Camel power. Ready guys, let's go!
For watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, stay true and stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace! Subscribe. Yeah, man.